Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to create an email signature in Gmail. Let's get started. First, open Gmail on your web browser and make sure you are logged in. Then, click on the settings icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Click on the Create New button to create a new signature. Enter your desired signature name and click Create. Now, enter your signature details in the box, such as your name, profession, job position, and your website or social media accounts. After entering all the details, under the Signature Defaults section, choose your desired signature for new emails and for replies forwards. Once done, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to create a signature in Gmail. Now, when you email someone using Gmail, your signature will be included. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. V.